Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious raspberry muffins. First, gather all your ingredients, like 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 12-cup muffin tin by lining it with paper cups or greasing each cup well. This preparation ensures your muffins bake perfectly and release easily from the pan. Now let's mix our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough muffins. With your batter ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold in 1 cup of fresh or frozen raspberries. Be careful not to crush them too much. Now, evenly distribute the batter among the 12 prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake in your preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma will be incredible. Once baked, let your beautiful raspberry muffins cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking apart. After 5 minutes, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Cooling on a rack ensures air circulates, preventing sogginess. Now they are ready to be enjoyed. These homemade treats are perfect for breakfast, a snack, or sharing with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.